All right, I have here a case of 2015 Prospect Rush. Probably going to regret doing this, but I'm going to go ahead and break it open. It's case number 47 of 300. Alright, we have packs at the top here. Let's see what we have here. 2006 Bowman Draft Picks, 2011 Bowman Draft, 2013 Bowman Draft, and 2 packs of 2014 Bowman Draft. We'll do those later. Let's get to the good stuff. Okay, 2010, I believe that is. Another 2013. I'm sorry, these are 2012s. This is 2013, and 2 more 2014. Okay. The extra hits. Let's see what we get in here. There's a sketch card from Emily Jackson, I believe that is. Jed Bradley. Or Emily Jester, I guess that is. I can't exactly read her name, but that the Tyler Kolek base auto, Carson Sands gold refractor auto, Ronnie Williams green refractor auto, and Mitch Ney gold refractor auto. That's not too bad. And a Cord Sandberg base auto. And this and here we have the chase card for the Chris Bryant. I'll do that in a minute. Jeff Hoffman base auto. Printing plate. Ian Clarkin. Joey Gallo blue refractor. Grayson Grenier shimmer refractor of number 15, and a Kyle Freeland refractor auto. Let's go ahead and scratch this off. And hopefully it'll be what I'm looking for, but I seriously doubt it. Let's try it. Better get a coin. Okay. Okay, guys. Nope. The chase is on. Better luck next time. Well, I wasn't really planning to go to Chicago anyway, so... Here we go. That's time to the for the big kahunas here. In hit number 1, we have a Chance Sisco base auto. We're off and running, aren't we? In hit number 2, Michael Chavis base auto, 9.5. And number 3, Cole Stewart base auto. Hit number 4. Michael Geddes, base auto. A lot of base here. Not much in the way of parallels, is it? Hit number 5, Alex Jackson. We got a parallel, and it's the 9.5, and it's a blue refractor, not autographed. And as luck would have it, you got 2 10s and 2 9.5s. Terrific. Hit number 6, we have Archie Bradley. Oh, there we go. But of course, it's not autographed. It's just a facsimile. It's a black label, base Archie Bradley, Gem Mid 10. I've never owned a black label BGS before. Too bad that's not autographed. It would be worth a hell of a lot more. Hit number 7, Corey Seager, black refractor, non-auto. We're down to the wire here. Hit number 8, Aaron Judge. Back to the base autos. Hit number 9, Mike Trout blue refractor. Well, that's not too bad, but of course it's not autographed. And our final hit. Trey Turner Gold Refractor Auto BGS 95. So, I've just gotten rid of another dud case from circulation. Hope you enjoyed it more than I did. I think that's pretty much a safe bet. See ya.